Sigma 3 has been a really good place for us to find our kitchen. We've been in this home for about the last 26 years, so it's been a long time coming. Going to visit Phil, he had to put up with us for a few times. He was very patient with us. We felt what we saw was a really nice product, and Phil was very good at helping us think through a few different designs and really helped us imagine what the space would be like and helped us understand how we wanted to use that space and therefore what would suit our needs. He showed us the different door designs, he showed us different colours, he showed us the worktops, he talked us through different sinks, he talked us through different taps. You can open all the different doors to reveal what's behind the cupboards. Don't know that you really realise how many different options there are. When you've got a friendly designer who can just talk you through it, it's very helpful. He helped us design the unit that we've got at the end, where we've got a work surface within the cupboard so that we've got a surface to have a microwave on or a coffee machine that's hidden away. Having gone into there, we had our minds changed because you saw it, all the different styles. We felt that Phil really listened and helped us make the most of what is a beautiful kitchen today and works really well for family living. The installation process actually was much more straightforward than you might imagine. We had Carlo, he was very efficient, really good sort of carpentry skills, and actually everything fitted in as it was supposed to. He sorted out my cutlery drawers and made them to fit where I wanted. As a family and as an individual, we love it because it works so well for us as a family. The island goes without saying. I love the deep drawers, I love the soft close. The corner unit is fantastic. I love my pantry, it's so convenient for your vegetables and your spices and just gives me a lot of storage. I love my coffee machine being able to be behind closed doors. Everything can be hidden or put on display accordingly. The space that it's created for us to spend as a family. The children have really taken on cooking a lot more, I think because we can all be in, we can work around the island together. So now it's great, in a week my daughter will cook. We've got the internet points, phone points, chargers around so people can sit at the island, they can tap away, looking at their emails. As we're cooking or waiting for food to cook, it's been a huge change for family life in and around the kitchen. Our best friends, they've had 2 or 3 meetings with Phil and they're having their kitchen designed. So I think if you can recommend it to your close friends, you know that Sigma 3 are doing something well.